Today we are going to start a new tutorial series. This is on social media management and marketing. It's part of digital marketing. We will walk through the basics. We tackle various social media accounts which you can use to market your products. The main aim of our tutorial is to use social media accounts for marketing and also to make extra revenue through various ways of monetization. So we start with the first one, that is Facebook. This is the most popular. If you have your username and password, you just log in. Otherwise, we go to create account, create new account. It takes you to sign up page where you give your real names, and please use your real names. Then you give your email address. Being a business account, it's good to use your email address. Then confirm your email address. Then key in password. And note it somewhere, otherwise if you forget then you lose your account. Then you put the date of birth. These are some of the details you might need to unlock your account if you forget your password. Then select your gender, then click sign up. To confirm that you are the real owner of that Gmail, Facebook will send you a code which you need to key in to verify that you are the real owner of the account you are creating. So wait for it to load. Yes, now you need to input the code that was sent to your email. So let me just check my email address, and I think I've received a code starting with the FB, then some numbers. That is, you check on the email that you are using, and if you check at the screen, it gives you the email address where the code has been sent. So you put the code the way you have received it, that's the numerical part, then you click continue, and your account will be verified. And right now your account is confirmed, so you can go ahead. And you have just signed up for Facebook. So you'll be going through Facebook on its own as a tool for marketing, and also as a tool to make additional revenue, and also a tool where you can interact with your peers and exchange ideas. You'll be creating pages, groups. We'll also be sharing some of the stuff that we'll be making on a different tutorial, that is like t-shirts, mugs, and many more. So the second social media account is Twitter. So you just sign up, you use the same email. We are creating a business account, so it's advisable to use the same email address and the same details. We'll be customizing our profile later to fit our business. This will be done at branding. You can check link in the description for the tutorial on t-shirt design and selling on and print on demand, where we'll be doing branding and coming with our color codes and also profile and banners. So once you key in your correct details, a code again is sent to confirm your email address. Just check your email and confirm the code. and after that you should be signed up for Twitter. You can log in. It requires a phone number just to confirm you. It's part of KYC details that are required by Twitter. So you just can select your country code, put in your mobile number, an SMS will be sent with a code which you then need to confirm, and after that you already know you are signed up. So again, we'll be going through a separate Twitter tutorial. We'll be customizing our profile and our account. We'll also be going through how to get trading hashtags which we'll be using for our marketing. So that's on Twitter. You just sign in. You sign in using the account you registered with and put in your password, and you should be good to go. So we'll be customizing our profile to fit our business branding and also our customer needs. So this is just an introduction to Twitter. It's one of accounts you can use to market your products, your marketing, or to share your ideas. So you need to confirm your date of birth. So the next social media account we'll be creating is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform where you create videos and upload, then your audience will view. It's a simple platform. You just create videos using any of the available softwares. There are some which are free, some which are paid. So to sign up you need to have a Google account, which is easy to create. If you have a Gmail account, that's also your Google account. So you click on create new account, and you can create for yourself or a child or to manage a business. So we'll be creating for ourselves. We put our first name, the second name, our preferred email address. Google will check whether that account is already taken. If it is available, you can proceed. Then you put password and confirm. You can also click show password to just confirm the two passwords are the same. So if you type an email address, then you click outside, Google will validate whether that account exists. If it exists, it will highlight in red. So you can show password, then click next. Just need to confirm my password. So yours, you can click show password. Don't want to leak my passwords. So once you key in the correct password, you should be able to sign in. You'll actually be automatically signed in and can go ahead and start customizing your YouTube account. So this is one of the social media accounts you can use to make money, and also for your marketing, digital marketing. You can sell your products online and do many other things, as we'll see as we go on. So you put additional details that are required. That's your mobile number and recovery email if you have one, and date of birth. So once you sign in into your YouTube account, you'll be able now to customize YouTube account by going to the studio. Within the YouTube studio, you should be able to customize, add features, enable features that are disabled, upload videos, go live, create short. That's your YouTube shorts. There are small videos like the one we usually watch on TikTok. And we'll be going through all these and how we can monetize our videos. Now you can also use YouTube to generate traffic to your other sites, or even YouTube to make money through either ads, monetization, subscriptions, donations. There are so many areas you can make money from YouTube. So be sure to follow up the links on my video. I'll be posting the various playlists that can help you learn more skills and start making money. So within your YouTube studio, you will be able to view the content you have uploaded, playlists you have created, analytics to monitor how you are performing, comments, change settings to enable features, and many more. So the other social media account is Instagram. Instagram is a video and photo sharing platform. You can use it for your personal needs. Sorry for that. You can use it for your personal needs or for to market your business. One of the pioneers for hashtags. They work very well in making your video go viral. So you just create a new account, that's sign up, create the details that are requested, and you can sign up using either Facebook or your email or even your phone number. Click sign up, then you need to give your birth date. This is usually to confirm your age. Most of these social sites require you to be over 18. It's to be an adult. So put in all the details that are required, then you click sign up. And once you sign up, you should be able to follow people, upload your video, your posts, or even your reels. You'll be seeing all this on a separate tutorial for Instagram. So be sure to check the link in the description if you're interested in Instagram. So again, you need to confirm your account. Next is Pinterest, another social media account you can use to spread or get followers or traffic to your other sites and social media accounts. It's simple to sign up. Just put your email and password. Once you're signed in, it will allow you to, for a start, it will allow you to select a few areas of interest. So put your gender, then your language and your country, then click next. Then you can just select your interest, what you're interested in. These are some of the pins that will be posted on your dashboard when you log in. And all these social media accounts also have mobile apps which you can download from Play Store and also from iOS Store. That's on App Store. So you'll be able to pin boards, upload your own pins for people. So the other social media account is TikTok, one of the upcoming and one of social media sites where you can succeed very easily. So you just click on sign up, login. The login, you click on don't have an account. If you don't have, then you click sign up, or if you do have, you can just sign in using any of the methods. So TikTok, you create short videos, upload, and use the hashtags, and they can easily go viral, just like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. These social sites play a big role in digital marketing. We'll be seeing this later, and also as a source of extra revenue. So keep it here and check the links in the description for more details. Thank you.